Good day, students. Today, we are going to explore an essential aspect of computing computer peripherals. Can anyone enlighten us about the different type of computer mouse?
There's the traditional wired mouse, and the wireless mouse that operates with batteries. I've also heard about ergonomic mice designed for comfort.
Fantastic. Now, let's dive into how to use a mouse efficiently. First, hold the mouse with a relaxed grip. Then move it on a flat surface to control the cursor. Remember, the left button is for primary actions like selecting and dragging, while the right button open contextual menus. Moving on the touchpads, commonly found on laptop, they function similarly to a miniature mouse.
So, it's like having a mouse on my laptop?
Precisely. Now, let's explore the fundamentals of keyboard. Alphabetical keys are arranged in a query format, just like on a typewriter. Above the alphabet keys, you will find the number keys used for numerical input. The long key at the bottom is the spacebar, creating spaces between words. Press enter to start a new line or execute a command. Special characters like at the rate, hashtag, percentage, and more are assist using the shift key. Use arrow keys to move the cursor or selection in different directions. The escape key is often used to cancel or exit a program. On Windows keyboard, the Windows key opens the start menu.